Alright, so today I'm doing a variation of a White Russian. I call it a Mocha White Russian with Amaretto, since Amaretto's not usually in it. So we're going to start with a little bit of a chocolate drizzle. We've got 100 proof vodka, because we spring for the good stuff apparently, even though I didn't know it was 100 proof before I bought it. Kahlua. They make White Russian Kahlua, but I figured I'd get this so that I can drink more than just White Russians. No exact measurements, just using a shot glass. 1-to-1 vodka and Kahlua. I'm probably going to do like a 3/4 shot of Amaretto. Grab a spoon. There you have the Mocha White Russian with Amaretto.